everyone, today we're going to be making slime. And remember, if you guys aren't a part of my family yet, I encourage you guys to join. All you have to do is subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below what DIYs you should be doing, okay? Hope you got that down. Now, if you guys haven't already subscribed to Wendy, I encourage you guys to do that. Okay, ready? Go do that in 3, 2, 1. Hope you did it. Okay, I want to get this video up to 20 likes. Hope you guys can do it. Let's see if you can do it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I hope you guys done it now. Let's get on with the video. Let's go. Okay, guys, so what you'll be needing is a bowl, something to mix with, some shaving cream,
I just want to get these guys in and I'm going to get the fans out.
some glue, some baking soda, and last thing, some borax and water.
Well, I was just going to ask you.
And if you don't have borax and water, you can use contact solution. Okay, so the first thing we're going to add is the glue. I'll be back with you when I get it open. This is hard. Okay, I'm back. Opening the glue. Now let's pull it into the mixing bowl. I'm using the whole container, but I don't know about you because I have lots of glue. Because I love making slime. Slime is like my life. And it honestly doesn't matter how old you are. It's just so fun to play with. Next, you're going to add your shaving cream. Then you're going to mix that up. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is add a pinch of your baking soda and mix that together. This is what's going to make your slime into slime. Then you're going to add the color of your choice. There we go. Didn't add that much because I don't like blue. And the last slime I made, which I just made, was blue. So this one, it's not blue. See? Just tiny bit blue. And now, next thing you're going to want to add is your borax and water. So you want to give it a mix. And then add it. Give it a stir, because you never know how much you need. This looks so great so far. But it's a little too sticky. Next time I'm going to do it, it's going to be me blindfolded. So I'll be like this. Okay? Ooh, it's starting to turn into actual slime. This looks great. It's smells very nice. I'll be right back. I'm just going to go get some lotion so I can make it stretchy. Because it's a good thing to add. Okay, I'll see you when I got the lotion. Okay, so I got the lotion. Now I'm going to add 2 pumps. There, that should be good. And then I'm going to mix it. This is sort of turning out like lumpy, so I got to sort of like, but it does feel like slime. But I don't want it to be lumpy like my last slime I just made. I want it to be super, like, creamy.
Who let the dogs out?
We didn't even dust there first.
So, yeah. Oh, welcome to my room, by the way. Ooh, this looks so great.
Start to laugh. Cover if you must, then start to cry. Your sins don't change. Cover, just believe in destiny. Don't care, Cover.
Adding a little more borax and water. Ooh. Because I don't want this slime to be sticky, because I don't want it to stick to my hands. And definitely going to need to go like give it a little mix and go
Oh my God!
like that. So I just poured a little in.
Oh, what is it? Blackenberry or black? No, what is it?
And it's almost done.
Get it ready for you.
To do what?
Get them pumping.
Well, it doesn't work.
This is so cool. Just like flops, but I don't think it's ready because it does seem to be whoa. Whoa, this feels like, this is like flubber. This is like,
There you go.
I have my own slime station right here. It's pretty cool. I have a bench and I have my TV right behind you where the camera is. So it's like I watch slime recipes on YouTube and then I write them down on my whiteboard.
Where's my drill at?
Daddy, can you not?
What?
I'm sort of doing a YouTube video.
Oh, hi everybody. It's Press Dance. Press Dance in the house.
And now I'm going to keep mixing it till it's not sticky. My hands are so sticky. Almost am there. I'm almost there. I'm going to like... I'm almost there, you guys. Oh, for my last slime I just made, I used the same container. Sort of got some glue on it now, but it doesn't really affect the color. And oh my gosh, is this not the best? Oh my!
Can promise me now this love that I feel for you, fucker, will always be. What?
Sort of making a YouTube video. Oh my gosh, look at this.